roughly laid out my lumber in my driveway, and then I made marks on my first 2x10. I'm 7.5 inches to the end. That'll leave me a 6-inch open pocket and leave me 1.5 inches at the end for the end board. And then I just marked out and measured out the space for each 2x4 on each board all the way out, roughly 16 inches. It's off by 1/10 or so, but that's good enough for carpet ball. Better. So here's the carpetball table with no plywood installed. It's just to go over the size again, it's 12 feet long. It's a 2x10 frame, 2x4s across the middle. It's actually 25 inches wide. The middle boards are 25, the end boards are 2x10, they're also 25. The plywood's going to go inside the middle, it's going to be 24, so there's going to be a 1/2 inch gap on either side for water to get out. Here's what the legs look like. I put a brace on them, across and across, a diagonal brace on each leg. The legs themselves are pressure treated, everything else is just regular wood. Next step is going to stain it and get the plywood screwed down. Last step in carpet ball, put down the carpet. Use some staple gun.
play.